Swab sampling. Swab testing is the preferred method of sampling because it comes in direct contact with the sampling surface, allowing for the detection of substances that are not easily rinsed off or soluble. It's also preferred because it can be used to test the cleanliness of difficult areas and should pick up hard-to-remove contamination. These swabs can be used to determine both microbial and chemical contaminants. Swab sampling does not cover the entire equipment surface area, so sites to be swabbed must be chosen with care. It is important that, at a minimum, the swab sites represent worst-case locations on the equipment as well as representative samples of the area. Sample site selection should be based on areas that are deemed hardest to clean. Criteria include equipment complexities, areas of different geometry that are likely to be difficult to clean, areas of different materials of construction, ability to access, and reproducibility of the sample. Riboflavin clearance test. One common method of determining the hardest to clean areas is to perform a riboflavin clearance test. This test is performed by spraying the internal surfaces with an aqueous solution of riboflavin and allowing it to dry. Visual examination using ultraviolet light illumination is used to confirm that all internal surfaces are coated. The riboflavin fluoresces under ultraviolet light. Internal surfaces are given a usually brief clean and then are again visually examined under ultraviolet light. The hardest to clean areas can then be identified by those areas that still show the presence of riboflavin. Those areas, along with other chosen representative areas, should be designated as areas for swab sampling. The results from the swab tests are then extrapolated to account for the total product contact surface area. This calculation makes it possible to make a worst-case determination of potential carryover into subsequent product. The number of sites to sample will be based on the above considerations as well as on the overall dimensions of the equipment. Find out more about the advantages and limitations of swab sampling